greetings of the day. I am Bhavesh Kumar Agarwal and today I will be preparing veg fried rice for all of you. So let's begin. We will cut the cabbage into dice and then we will keep it in a bowl, cover it and shake it. This is a small trick so that the layers of cabbage get separated. So now let's cut the carrot. So we'll give it a fancy shape. So first of all we'll cut into triangles, then give two cuts from the middle and then slice it. Just like this. So now it's turn of capsicum. We'll slice the onions. We'll give a Chinese slice. Gently crush the onions so that they get separated. Now it's time to chop the green chilies and the ginger. So see, all the chopping has been done. Here is my platter. I have kept all the veggies and this is my boiled rice. Chinese wok is recommended for this recipe, but I don't have, so I'm using a big karhai which is of iron, and here I've added oil into a hot karhai. Then we'll add the ginger and the green chilies. Now we'll add the sliced onions. Adding all the other veggies, we will stir fry them for 30 to 40 seconds on a very high heat. See, Chinese is all about high heat. So while preparing this, you have to ensure that the flame is always highest. And now it's time to add the rice. So over here I have the rice, which is long grain rice. I have taken basmati rice. The rice was boiled and it was allowed to cool down, and then only it was added. So now we'll mix the rice along with the other veggies. And now we'll add salt, pepper and the MSG or the Ajinomoto, which will give the umami flavor to our fried rice. You can always add aromatic powder instead of the MSG if you want, because MSG is a bit harmful for health, so I'm using a bit of it. So like this only we have to stir it, the rice with the veggies, so that the veggies impart the flavor. And now we'll add the vinegar and the soya sauce. Light soya sauce is recommended, but I have dark soya sauce, so I'm using it. And while you're using the light soya sauce, keep in mind that it's very salty in nature, so you have to reduce the quantity of salt. So let's close look to our rice. This is really aromatic and has been done, so let's plate it. So here we are ready with our veg fried rice. You can see how beautiful it is looking and the veggies are overloaded. So let's enjoy the meal.